Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have my niece-in-law. She is visiting with us and she decided that she wanted to get her nails done, and she's doing this for the very first time. So I decided to give her polygel nails. I prepped the nails and applied the nail tips and shaped them into a stiletto shape, and now I'm going in with some Mia Secret Extra Bond non-acid primer, and I'm also going in with a base coat after that, which she will cure under the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then I will apply the polygel. So she decided that she wanted to go with an orange color, and I have this SXC Cosmetics Glow in the Dark Polygel Kit. It's a Zodiac series, and coincidentally this orange color is named Taurus, and she is actually a Taurus like myself. So yeah, so once she has cured the base coat under the lamp for about a minute or so, I go in with the polygel. Now I prefer to just squeeze the polygel onto the nail. I find that it is easier for me. So that is what I do throughout this video. I just squeeze the polygel onto the nails, and then I have my dap dish with some alcohol for my slip solution. So I dip into the alcohol and use that to mold the polygel onto the nail. And once I have finished with each nail, I do let her flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds, sorry. And then I go on to the other nail, because I live in Jamaica where it's warm, and so I don't want the polygel to, kind of seep into the cuticle area while I'm doing the other nails, and I also don't want to accidentally mess them up and then I have to go over them again. So once I have completed all of the nails, then she goes back into the lamp for maybe another minute or so, just to ensure that everything is cured properly. Alright, so I'll just let you guys watch this and I will come back when I move on to the next step. Oh, and by the way guys, I forgot to mention that I have a discount code from SXC Cosmetics. You can purchase any item on their website, sxccosmetics.com, and use my discount code made by Tanil for a 10% discount. I'll place the information in the description box. So once I have finished applying the polygel, I wipe the nails with some alcohol to remove the tacky layer, and then I move on to my filing. So I'm going in with my e-file first with a sanding band, and I'm just going around the cuticle area. And then once I have finished with the e-file, I am going in with a hand file. I like to use the hand file sometimes, most of the times, because polygel is so soft that I don't want to over file and remove too much product. So I use the hand file to file the free edge and the side walls, and then to buff over the nails. So she decided that she wanted two of the nails to be marble nails, and those marble nails she wanted to be glossy and the plain nails to be matte. But I totally forgot that she wanted the matte nails, so I went ahead and applied the glossy top coat on all of the nails. But that's fine. We applied the matte top coat afterwards and it was fine. Everything turned out exactly how we wanted it. But yeah, so I am applying the glossy top coat on all of the nails, and then once I have finished that, she will cure them, and then we will move on to doing the marble. So for the marble nails, all I do is use a black gel polish and a striper brush, and I just add some squiggly lines onto the nails. I basically do it in an X shape at first, and then I am using another brush and dipping into some alcohol to just spread the gel polish around to create that marble effect. And once I am happy with that, I move on to the next nail and I do the same thing, and then I let her cure that layer. And once she is finished curing, I go in with the glossy top coat again and also the matte top coat on the plain nails. So I'll just let you guys finish watching this and then I will come back at the end. Alright, you guys, so this is how the nails turned out. We were so happy with the outcome. They looked great and she absolutely loved them. As you can see, the glow in the dark effect, they look so cute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. And until next time, bye bye.